So in this video, you will learn step by step how to recover your Clash of Clans account without the Supercell ID. So what we want to do first of all is head over to Clash of Clans. And from here, it will then open up the game. So once we open up the game here, you simply want to click on the settings option here at the top. And then you want to then click on help and support. Once we open up the help and support page, you then want to scroll down until you see the option for account. So click on the account option, and then you can then go down and click on recover your account. From here, select the option for I've lost access to my account. And then you can then scroll down until you see the option for open a support ticket. Click on this. Once we are on this page, all we need to do is enter in our details into this right here. So once you enter in all of the details for your village or account, what you will then be able to do is click on submit, and then Supercell will help you then get your account back without the need for your Supercell ID. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.